Hello again, welcome back to Grace Signature. I am Grace, the chef behind this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this miraculous drink. Let's talk through the ingredients and get started. I have right here 20 grams of ginger. I have washed that nicely. About 12 pieces of dates, half a cup of dried coconut chunks, and a cup of dried tiger nuts. So the tiger nuts, if you are using the dry one, you would have to soak it for about 2 days and keep it in the fridge. But if you are using the fresh one, just soak it for an hour, okay? So I've poured the tiger nuts into my blender, followed by the coconuts. Next, I'm going to seed the dates. We're now going to blend the seed, okay? So you have to seed it and then cut it or chop it. All right, so after chopping the dates, the seeding and chopping it, I'll go ahead and then chop my ginger as well, so that will make life easy for my blender. All right, yes, so I'll add that to it and then add in 2 cups of water. You can add more if you want to. The lesser water you add, the more you get the taste very nice, okay? So I'll go ahead and blend this. All right, so I'll talk you guys through the health benefits of this milk or drink, okay? So next, I'll pour this into a strainer and then strain it. You can also strain this for the second time using a cheesecloth, a muslin square, or a satin cloth, okay? But this is how I want it. I want it as thick as it is right now, so I'm not going to strain it again. And guys, that's it. Miraculous drink or milk is ready. Now I'll tell you why I call this a miraculous milk or drink. In Ghana, tiger nut is known as charge your battery. It is called charge your battery because of its goodness in sexual drive, okay? So if you are a mom that does not do well in bed, I will recommend you to start drinking this miraculous drink and your wife. Yes, so now let's talk through the health benefits of this miraculous drink. First, health benefit of it is the tiger nut help boost low sperm counts. The tiger nut milk is good for those who suffer from low sexual libido. Tiger nut supplies the body with enough quantity of vitamin E. It is essential for fertility in both men and women. So it's not only for the men, okay? Yes, it's for both of us. And the date in it is a source of antioxidants. It can be good for blood sugar. It reduces blood pressure. It also contains brain booster. It boosts your brain, okay? So the coconut milk also lowers cholesterol and promotes weight loss. The milk or the drink is also good for the heart, and it boosts your immune system as well. And the ginger in it also is high in antioxidants. And above all, this milk or drink is also an aphrodisiac. Yes, you heard me right. It is a natural aphrodisiac. All right, guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Also, do not forget to turn on your notification bell, meaning anytime I upload a video, it will go straight into your inbox and you will never miss an upload from me. I will see you again in my next one. Bye bye.